Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So here is how to use your Spotify music or how to listen to the music from Spotify from your Apple Watch Ultra without even using your iPhone. So let's ramble. Alright, so in order for you to listen to the music directly from your Spotify from your Apple Watch Ultra, there are three things you have to keep in mind. First, you have to get the Spotify application on your Apple Watch. Well, at the very same time, you need to have a pair of headsets. So if you are using, let's say, AirPod Max or AirPod Pro or any other headset that you're currently using, then you need to connect that particular device with your Apple Watch so that you can listen to the music through that pair of headset. One more thing you have to keep in mind, you either need to use a cellular version for your Apple Watch so that you can listen to the music online, or if you want to listen to the music offline, you need to have a premium account. Alright guys, now the first thing that you want to do, just go ahead and play the music. Just open up your Spotify application here. Now play the music here. Now what's going to happen here, the music is going to be playing from your iPhone. So as you guys can see, it is actually showing me the iPhone right here. Now if I'm going to switch it to your whatever the headset that you're currently using, now simply play the music. Just go ahead and grab your iPhone here, swipe back from that down. Just go ahead and tap on this AirPlay icon from there. Just go ahead and choose your wireless device from here. I'll just go ahead and choose my AirPod from there. Now, what's going to happen, if it's going to be selected from here, now if you just leave your iPhone and grab your Apple Watch, and you'll be able to see now the music is streaming from your Apple Watch too. So if I come over there, now if I tap on there, as you guys can see, it says iPhone AirPod. Now you can control the music from your Apple Watch. If I pause it, music is going to be stopped. If I play it, the music is going to be played from our Apple Watch Ultra. So that's how you guys can play and pause, or even can listen music online, offline, directly from Apple Watch Ultra without even using your iPhone. If I find this video useful, if you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.